How to fix error while overclocking controller on Windows 11. To fix error encounter while overclocking a controller on Windows 11, particularly error like error 193 or error 577. To fix this, open the Windows Security app here. In the Windows Security app, navigate to the device security, right? And here we are inside the device security. Click on core isolation details. Click on it. Disable memory integrity. These features can interfere with overclocking softwares by blocking its potential threat. After disabling, restart your PC to apply the changes. Right, so guys, this is really important. And once you do this, create a restore point. So before making changes, it's wise to create a restore point. Search for create a restore point in the start menu, right? So here we have to just right here create a restore point. Now it will open up. Right now, search for in the and select your system drive and click on create. So I just want to do it for the this volume, and then we have to just go and click on create. So it's right now off, so I think I can do it only for any one of the drive. And in your case, if you're getting this, okay, so you have to go to the configure and turn on the system protection. Then you might get this option to create, and here you can just create one of it. Now download and install HID USBF driver, which is essential for modifying pooling rate of USB device. After installing, run the setup for HID USBF and select your controller from the list. Then apply the desired pooling rate. Right, check for error during setup. If you encounter specific error like error 577, ensure that all necessary drivers are correctly installed and that your controller is recognized by system. You may need to unplug and replug the device multiple times during the setup. This is it. Thanks for watching.